Hello, greetings to everyone and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time of you getting close to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. My channel is all about nature and everything entertainment. This time I just decided to post where I live around, and it's a very nice place and it's a natural environment. As you can see, these are the cars that the people in the house uses. From here to the bus station is around 3 4 5 minutes, and some people find it very difficult to walk. So that's it. This is the building of the house, um and it's a natural environment, as you can see. um and those are the bicycles that we use to travel, and it's a very nice place to be, where you'll be able to interact with nature. um we have gotten some animals around there that normally comes they come out in the morning and sometimes during the evening. um I wish they would be here so that I can just show people how they look like. They are very pretty. And this is the back side of the house, where we normally play football when the sun is shining. Normally it's very cold out here, but we normally come out to play football here. And sometimes when the sun is very hot, we sit here to relax, just have some drink together with friends and other people, and it's a very nice place to be. Yeah. And this is the garden where we normally do something small. We normally do something small just to show somebody. My friend was just waving me upstairs there, so I lost my concentration. Yeah, this is another building for other people. Yeah, we stay here with our neighbors, and it's a very nice place. It's a very natural environment. It's very nice. I love such environment. Yeah, it's very nice and very natural. These are where sometimes the children play. Yeah? And I normally come here to sit here to enjoy the fresh air when it's very hot. Sometimes the weather is very hot in such a way that you will not be able to do anything. These are some of the natural environment that we normally talk about in life. It's really pretty. And you find yourself, you are able to meditate, just get closer to your maker, and it's very natural. These are the environment which will help you to decide for yourself certain things that has been with you for a very long time, that you find very difficult to come out with solutions. So it's a very good serene, where you can make decisions for yourself and other people. I sometimes sit here when I have problem with my mind, with certain life stories. I sit here just to see how beautiful it is. I'll be making a video on how to deal with the natural environment itself, because the natural environment is a very nice place to be. It's very wonderful. When you are addicted to the natural environment, you always want to do anything natural. You always want to be surrounded by nature. Nature is very wonderful and very beautiful. So I wouldn't like this video to be so long. I'll just try and end it here. This is just the beginning of how I will be going about my natural environment teachings. It's very pretty. As I'm recording this video now, it's very cold out here. Though the sun is shining, as you can see there, the sun is shining, but it's very cold. It is very cold out here. So just wanted to show you guys out there. As I said earlier on, if you are new to this channel, consider it to subscribe, like and share, so that we can help bring more videos. I'm done with this episode, and I'll be bringing you guys more videos. And thank you for watching my video.